This is a 10-minute meditation to calm anxiety and clear the mind. If this helps you slow down, hit like so more people can find it. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Let your hands rest where they naturally fall. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Sometimes the mind feels like it's spinning. Thoughts overlapping, repeating, tightening. You don't need to fight the noise. You just need to step out from the middle of it. Take a slow, steady breath in through your nose. And a longer exhale out. Let your shoulders drop with that exhale. Notice the mind still moving. That's okay. It's just energy looking for direction. Imagine your thoughts as fog drifting across a quiet landscape. Some thick, some thin, all moving slowly. And now, imagine yourself standing still in the middle of it. Not trying to clear the fog, just breathing inside it. Every exhale moves it away a little more. Every inhale brings more light through. You're not forcing calm, you're allowing space. Let the air inside your chest feel wider. Let your jaw unclench. Let the space between your thoughts grow quiet. Now, bring your attention to the weight of your body. The surface beneath you is solid, holding you completely. Feel the back of your head, your shoulders, your arms, all supported. Anxiety pulls you up and out. This brings you back down and in. Notice how even with thoughts moving, the body remains still. That stillness is your anchor. It doesn't disappear. It's always been here. Imagine your thoughts as a stream. They come in, they move past. You can watch them go without following. Maybe one thought drifts by about something you said, another about what you need to do. Let them all pass like leaves on the surface of the water. You don't need to grab them. You just breathe, steady, and present. And underneath the stream, the ground is still. That ground is your calm. Bring your attention to the space behind your thoughts, the quiet that's always been there. Imagine a wide, open sky after a storm. Clouds still exist, but there's room between them now. That space is your awareness. Untouched, clear, steady. No matter how loud the mind becomes, you can always return here. Let that calm spread through your whole body. Chest, arms, legs, hands, soft and open. Now let your breath deepen again. Start to notice the sounds around you, the air, the quiet hum of the room. You've cleared space in your mind. It doesn't have to stay empty, just open. When you're ready, take one more full breath in. And open your eyes slowly. If this helped you calm your mind, subscribe for more Mindfulete meditations. My thoughts can move. I stay still.